Welcome to 3637 Bluegrass Drive in Grand Prairie, Texas. I'm Carlee Howard with the Rafter Realty Group. This is a single-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with fresh paint and new carpet throughout. We are located in a perfect location for those downtown Dallas commuters that enjoy their nighttime life. Let's go take a look.